130 calories, 2 pounds of food, 18 grams of protein. I'll show you how to make it. Alright, for this recipe you'll need 2 packs of sugar-free Jell-O. You'll also need 15 grams of vanilla protein. And you add basically the Jell-O to a bowl, add some boiling water, add your protein powder, mix it with cold water, and you make sure everything is mixed properly. This is 2 pounds of food, and it's 18 grams of protein, 130 calories. You compare that to your usual protein bar, which is 50 grams on average and 200 plus calories. This is the glitch. Enjoy. Let's try it out. Taste test. That's what it looks like. Alright, let's try it. Yo. It's actually really good. Strawberry vanilla. How can you go wrong? Give this a try. Honestly, this is a diet hack. This is like a complete glitch. Give this a try. It's super inexpensive, super filling, protein. Can't go wrong. Give this a try. I hope this helps you. If it does, please give this video a thumbs up, and see you in the next one.